Today I'm going to show you how to reset the windows on a Jeep Wrangler and a Jeep Gladiator. I'm going to show you how to reset the windows because sometimes, say for instance, you have a dead battery or you have to replace your battery or you have electrical problems. It may knock off your windows so they won't be able to close with the automatic feature that they are equipped with. In order to fix this issue, you'd have to reset your windows, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you please subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, with that said, what I'm going to do is, the first thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and shut my door, and then I'm going to turn on the vehicle. Now, when I turn it on, I'm not turning the engine on. I'm just turning the electrical system on by simply pressing this right here. Without my foot being on the brake, it is not on the brake. My vehicle is in park. The handbrake is up, and what I'm going to do is just start the electrical part of the car, not the engine. So I press that, okay, and so the vehicle is on. And what I'm going to do now is I am going to reset the windows. And you do that by whatever window needs to be reset, go ahead and opening it all the way. And when it gets all the way down to the bottom, hold the button for a good 3 to 5 seconds, and then immediately go up with this. Hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. And just like that, you have reset the windows inside of your Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator. Do this process immediately twice back to each other to ensure that the process went all the way through. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.